Hi, I'm Leo and welcome to School with Me. In this series, we'll be going over React.js and I'll be breaking down those concepts to enable you understand what React really is. Alright guys, at the end of this tutorial, if you think the video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have anything to say or any questions, just leave a comment, and if you're new, please consider subscribing for more updates. Alright, so before you proceed to React, it is very important that you know the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I'll assume you already know these and move on to React. Alright, so what is React? Now, React is a JavaScript library for building interactive user interface. Now, it is currently the most used JavaScript library in the world, and it was developed by Facebook. So let's look at some of the features of React that makes it great. One is React uses component-based architecture. Now this allows you to break down your app into smaller units called components. Now what are the advantages of this? One is it gives your code higher flexibility and it allows you to write reusable code. The third one is it makes it easier for you to maintain or modify these various parts or components of your app. Alright, the second one is React is declarative, and basically you tell React what you want and React will build the actual UI. That's what it means to be declarative. Now it's not that simple, but that's the general idea. Alright guys, this is my day one of 100 days of code, and I'll be bringing short videos like this as I practice. Alright, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, and do have a lovely